Hello.
Hello, it's Phil and Kath here from Merseybeat Gardening.
Where are we?
We're in the middle of a field, and
There's no buildings around for miles.
there's nothing around for miles.
Oh, there's a little farm over there.
If you look, there's a tiny farm, but there's nothing. We're in the middle of a field. It's right off the beaten track. It's about 8 miles from Stratford, isn't it?
Just outside
Stratford upon
Stratford
Avon.
upon Avon,
And
Warwickshire.
yeah, it's called the what's it called?
The dovecote.
Dovecote. Well, let's go in and have a look and see what we can see. If it's light enough. I don't know if the light is decent.
Look at that tiny door.
Tiny door.
You need to knock before you enter, Phil.
Kinwarton. It's Kinwarton.
Kinwarton,
Dovecote,
not
14th
Kingston.
century.
Yeah.
And it's held by the National
You need
Trust.
to knock before you go in.
Yeah, we need to knock on the door.
No, you need to use that knocker then.
Oh, sorry. My head. I can't even get in. Oh dear me.
Get through then.
Oh my God.
What's it like?
There's a thing there.
Open more.
No, it won't open anymore. Look at this place.
Oh my Lord.
Oh my God. It goes on.
Wow.
There used to be a ladder that went up,
Would that go spiralling up?
spiraling up to the top. And in these little alcoves here, they used to keep pigeons. Pigeons in there.
Yeah, but obviously not for racing.
Not for racing. They used to eat them.
Oh.
But they never used to eat the pigeons. What was more important in the 14th century was what they called the squabblings.
Oh,
And
is
they
that
were
the
the
babies?
baby pigeons
Oh,
that they used to climb up and take out of the nests,
Oh.
and they'd cook them up.
So they were.
Squabblings.
So in other words, they were farming the pigeons for food.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And apparently this source of meat, when there was very little meat at that time of the year, or whenever they harvested these pigeons, would, you can have a look down here, would be very important.
But look at these tiny little spaces for them here. Oh.
It's crazy, isn't it? So
So the term was squabbling.
squabblings, they were called.
Is that still the term today?
I think so.
Yeah. This ladder section here,
Yeah,
is that an original? Or?
I think that's part of it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's the ladder. See.
So that's the ladder. So the ladder would just, but would that would rotate, Philip, surely, wouldn't it?
Yeah, it would rotate on this beam.
And go all the way round.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
And that probably would move. I'm not going to try and move it now.
Don't climb it.
No.
Isn't that a fascinating view from that door there?
Yeah.
Out onto the landscape.
Isn't it just? Well worth a visit if you're
So
this
how many
part of the country.
homes in here? Do we know?
I think there's about 600 nesting boxes.
Gosh.
600 nesting
And that
boxes.
goes up to some height.
And they
there.
could fly in and
The
fly
roof,
out
Yeah.
at the very top there.
Right.
Yeah.
But naturally they'd home back to here, wouldn't they?
Yeah. So there you go. Kinwarton Dovecote. So that's it. Oh, you can get out. Oh. Here we go, fresh air.
That was interesting.
That
I
was
enjoyed
interesting.
going in there.
I like that.
I've never been inside the dovecote like that before.
I've never seen
That's
one like that
quite
before.
a unique thing.
It's quite unique. So I hope you enjoyed. We hope you enjoyed our little look inside the Kinwarton Dovecote.
And isn't it fabulous to think that it's still standing today
Yeah, it's incredible.
in 2022?
Apparently it's the only one in
How that
England
is.
of that type. And
That's the only one left.
you really have to seek it out. It's in the middle of a farmer's field.
But I'm sure there would have been various variations on that one across the country.
You will find it if you visit the
all
National
unique.
Trust website, and it's free to get in, by the way. There's no parking fee or anything like that. You just
They
come
just
down
open
this
it
little
up.
country lane. You feel like you're going into a farm, but you don't. You turn left and you come to the dovecote, and there you are. There you have it. Yeah, it's a great,
Fabulous.
great thing to see these things off the
Beaten track.
beaten track. Thanks for watching. See you
Hope
next
you
time.
enjoyed that too.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.